In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Once Human. So what you have to do, this is actually very simple. You want to press your escape button first, and then over here under shop events, you want to access your shop. In here, you want to go to the tab which is to the very right and says events. And then inside this tab, as you can see down here at the very bottom, it says redeem code. You want to click on redeem code, and then you can enter in your redemption code. Now, two codes I found to work are as follows. So once human 0710. This is the first one. If you press redeem, as you can see, you get a camouflage formula. And then we have another one that I found, which is the same once human and then IGP. Okay, so just retype them in, press redeem, and that's it. You get, as you can see, energy link, activators, and 1 adrenaline shot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've redeemed your codes, you can simply press cancel and go back to your game, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.